Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into Microsoft Word and learn how to create a table of contents. Whether you're working on a lengthy report, thesis, or any other document with multiple sections, a table of contents can help your readers navigate through your content easily. Let's get started. Before we can create a table of contents, we need to make sure our document is properly formatted using heading styles. Headings act as the entries in our table of contents, so it's important to apply them correctly. Simply select the text you want to designate as a heading, then choose a heading style from the Styles gallery in the Home tab. Once your document is properly formatted with headings, place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Then go to the References tab in the top menu bar and click on the Table of Contents command. Choose one of the predefined styles from the drop-down menu, or click on Custom Table of Contents for more options. And that's it. You've successfully created a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Feel free to explore more features and functionalities to enhance your document formatting skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.